politicians na ye Ghana ha no. Mienu na ti ye mienu ye mfimfin.
Yes.
Wo mienu na ye NDC for.
Yeah, NDC for yes.
O ma so den pa.
Politicians na so den.
I'm telling you. Hwe, se president e use a opeso o kiro se party no mu ina wo na wadwumi. De bia obehu se nipa ba ko president bi e use no. Wo na ye use. Ese se wo se party no mu nyina wo na wadwumi. Wonim, wo mo de ye ka de Japan.
Yeah.
Wo mo use Canada Japan.
Yeah.
Eke kan se hun krom ha sa kan bag sa. Eyere so no. Na afei party for na hun se hierarchy na hun se ya twe Canada Japan mu nsuo nyina awie.
Ya din ehwe nya.
Ya twe ne mu nsuo awie. So no so hun se no o ye me fanfu no. O se me nya president ni bia medi. Because ya de di no. Wo de no to nchen a after no omo use abronye.
Oh.
So at a certain point in time, abronye became the one in the NPP. As a European ball and a manner, no do kosumina so do akwhia to agu.
Kasa
That's right. Na ono de ko. Omo wie ono no, eno mu say no, afa de ye per executive member. It's yen use Chairman Wontumi. Wontumi yade bi ho, but I think say yen because of politics until we take so many things for granted in this country.
Yeah.
Number one.
Yeah.
John Dramani Mahama. Now, or you're the leading opposition leader in this country. As now what the one second assembly to me sikrum ha.
Absolutely.
Now watch this. Wontumi on TV essay on ordinary kosua mienu no ehu. Tie ne ye o ordinary ehu. Say John Mahama yere ye maame Lordina kodwam okodidwa abenu aduane. Na ofiri dwom na okuta ne board ya ne banch ne niema na wakodidwa ne de ba fie no obeduru ye no e na ohun se wo mo house help John Mahama butu no so.
Can you imagine this?
Ene ne da ama Lordina buafu enu nti na Lordina mpese obeye campaign.
That is so dangerous.
And I was thinking, said the then national security will behave, say, when we have national security, but then your party security. Don't want to invite you to me because so the near one, a camera has been on the quarter Tari Mahama fee. And at that material moment, you know, I would not any question a shot, some say Mahama, your opposition leader. As I say, or your former president.
Yeah, a statesman.
Obi say ordinary akuhu woni fie o tienie say on the house help eda e ma na yiri buafu wontumi the cameras na kwhyehyem former president fie say kura no esese ye chi wontumi be ye de ne ko president kufo fie
yeah ne ko na ado fie
yes ne ko na ado fie ne ye kwhwe say e bia on fa cameras bi nkwhyehyem ho a obama terrorist attacking anado. Obama terrorist attack Ekuonaba. Obama terrorist attack John Mahama and even the country at large.
Yeah.
Because Okasa asem no. Every Obia fan try just if it's a political talk. Maybe your national security coordinator that time can won't me or a man come afie.
Call them.
Oh no, yeah. Because one, you should be able to tell us and introduce to the security architecture of this country. Abaya na wo kano say otiminya access ABT security enter the bedroom
of the
former president. Then it means that lady, she's something else. Because no security under the sun, even the worst presidential security under the sun, will not allow a girlfriend to go through the doors of baby a former president to take yedna koda ne mpaso. But won't me can some way offer no ho edi. Again, Ojina Kumasi said then say Mahama de Ghana soldier fo nyina di na chi.
Oni omo negotiate say ono na ye governor.
Na ode wo mo ba. Wo mu ntimi nya na hwe.
Eba.
Won't be kasa asa boson so no tio tumfo ka. Won't me or kasa okrom ha. Asa boson so a MPP mu no ona otua sabe yewura otumfo ka. O kasa aso dwonso crude oil. Asa won't me an dwonso a Ghana ye nya diesel ye nya petrol ye nya kerosene. Now who dwane?
O kam.
Afen na who dwane? Time na ye cheche ye no se no okrum ha. He thought say na F. O ka say na ede. And na won't me need them. Maslog and Land Cruiser.
Yeah.
Ghana fontim ye. President Kufuor Maslog ba Ghana ha no. Day na war launch ne ye na ye wase bi. Maslog ye fan Land Cruiser. But won't me at the Maslog eka.
Yeah.
Eka banya a Land Cruisers.
That's also the small cars be me achimi no kra wo Blue Gates. The Blue Gates.
Then na Maslog sika the Land Cruiser. Now waje no de ahye ne ho no oto. Again, she forester owusu akuntamines.
Yeah.
So our constituency.
Our constituency.
Yes. The one our win.
Yes. You be can say.
Wontumi akufado etam forest ne man.
We no be try and trust Ghana for say.
Onye. O de man na mani to the portions na gold ni tie ho no. Otuye na ka nkate ase no. Ena na do be ka say as of now that I am speaking. Tell you bro for kan no the BT ye. As of now. Let us say mpempre de akuntamines. Enye galamsey. Na before time no kasa na akuntamines.
No ye.
No ye den. Yet to krom obi aka brofo anu na chese wa ben.
Oh.
Ene ye ne. We did forest ni mu nyina ye forester. Ye tu asen nyina no wuntimi di mu akotene. O di forest ni mu akotene ko sa forest ni me forest no kra.
Sabra boy. Tamro dem forest.
That's right. Ko hwe ade a waye wo forest ni. Anye ye kura no anka ye say ye forest reserve wo ho. Dentina ma akufado. Ene na ban timi tena se hwe nyame anim se se de yetimi ye mine na wo forest nim. Dem pa na ba MPP fo adwem. Wo de yentena se ne yendwene ho nyina din se Ghana nyina ya ye mra ato wo se ye bedi digala ne se den kura ye betu gold ne se den kura de ye forest de emra ne se ye mbo ho ban. Because when the last tree dies the last man will die.
Yeah, sure.
Edu etwa to wa asase so hia enipa e wa asase so ina so ye nyina na ye kro no na forest de da ho no wo matimi aye mra no adane ani adane amaguntumi mana kosi forest ni edwiri ni nyina e de to the gold na watimi anya gold e de akotena TV so te say dem kuta mobile phones mieni na we yi gold enya gold kitenkete o gold bars na on the TV so cassette this is cash na akwa we ni nam krom ha national security anya na hwe because he was being used by the president, being used by Gabi Ocheredako, being used by the former finance minister, being used by Asante Medietu. He was being used and had the biggest support of the then Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Jinapo.
Okay.
And when Jinapo realized that, Adiana Akwane Yenafe you remember the ministry wrote?
Yeah, a letter. Yeah.
The Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources wrote to the president. Your friend is saying, Minerals Commission, they wrote to the president.
Absolutely.
Forestry Commission, they wrote to the president. Ask yourself, Dentinema, President Mfi, Dentinama President Anya Hoshe.
Oh, did he chop, I chop.
Enti, and Niti pa lawyer now wafan no.
And the appeal
I think there's a strategic your friend saying
yes.
Recruitment of that lawyer.
Yeah.
But still ano said ne wan kwa Omechi Wontumi.
Wontumi nkaso.
Obedem. Okonne. Omesa arresting wo ne lawyer nanim. Na so ye bema, so ye bema. Wontumi se so ye bema. On the say Asantema ye ne dia. On do baby crop pa chese wo be wura Kumase na.
This one negotiate.
You negotiate really. Na Bantama hene wo ho, asafo hene wo ho. Kwentini akomo mo hwe kire ma Asante. Hene no no say wo be wura Kumase a wo be wura Asantema mu a je woni ono negotiate. So ye bema ene emane nko